Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. June, we choose the best. Choose today to serve Christ always. June 1st. We choose Christ above all. And if it seem evil unto you to serve the Lord, choose you this day whom you will serve, whether the gods which your fathers served that were on the other side of the flood, or the God of the Amorites, in whose land ye dwelled. But as for me and my house, we shall serve the Lord. Joshua chapter 24, verse 15. We have been bought with the precious blood of Christ as of a lamb without blemish. What a price is this, unparalleled, infinite. But though Christ has bought us and invites us to come to him, still the world holds out its attractions to us and strives for the mastery. Shall the love of God or the love of the world triumph in the conflict? Satan and his evil angels are watching at every avenue leading to the human heart, seeking to force souls to accept evil suggestions. The enemy presents bribes to win us to the world, as he presented bribes to Christ in the wilderness of temptation. Unless we depend upon a power and out and above ourselves, the enemy will succeed in accomplishing our ruin. But in looking to Jesus, by studying his life and character, by earnest desire to be like him, our minds will be balanced in the right direction that may overcome selfishness and choose a course of righteousness. I appeal to the youth, choose you this day whom you will serve. There is a necessity for a decided choice, for Jesus said, ye cannot serve God and mammon. If your heart is filled with love to Christ, it will be demonstrated that he is stronger than the passions which have ruled you, whose indulgence have undermined noble impulses and left the soul to the mercy of Satan's temptations. When the heart of the sinner is touched, he yields his will to God's will. He sees in Jesus his matchless charm, and his heart is captivated. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.